this old elevator. Has a really small door. Actually has a side door. Whoa. This thing is really weird. Not sure what brand this is. Got C.J. Anderson buttons. So we will go up to 4. I'll go back down to 1. Almost looks like you can see up the shaft here. So we will take another ride where we watch up the shaft. So here we go to 4. And we'll end back down on 1. That is probably one of the weirder gated elevators I've ever seen. You have this tiny door that goes into basically a mini freight elevator. Well, that was really cool. So that's it.